Guys, I will show you how you can transfer Robux inside Roblox. So step number one, there is a few different things that we need to do. So make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't miss out on any important steps. Now, first of all, we will need to head over to a browser and then we need to go over to create.roblox.com and then log into your account. Now from here, you want to go to home, click on creations, and then from here, what we can now do is click on our place. Now everyone will have a place. Mine is currently public, so make sure yours is also public. Click on this here. That will then take you into the main settings page for your creation. And then what we can then do is we can go and click on the three lines in the top left hand corner. And then you want to go down to where it says monetization. Click on the drop down menu, go over to passes here. And then you want to now click and go to create a pass. Click on the create a pass option, and then you can go through, you can add a photo, and then you can add a name and also a description. So I will just name it transfer Robux. So once we do this, what we can then do is simply click on create pass, and then we will then be able to go over to the next step. So to make it on sale and change these settings, we now need to click on the transfer Robux option here. Now once we click inside our creation here, what we can now do is go to the top left hand corner to the three lines, and then you want to click on the option for sales. Once we select sales, you can then enter in the default price. So the default price for the item for sale will be whatever you want it to be. Now, keep in mind that Roblox do take 30%. So if you send 100, the person that you are transferring to will only get 70. So you need to keep this in mind, right? Once you do that, you can then enter in the amount, and then you can then click on save changes. Now, what we want to do is we simply want to click on proceed, and then the pass has now been updated successfully. And then what we now need to do is we need to head on back, go over to our Roblox, and then we need to go over now to please donate, which will allow us to transfer our Robux, and it will be on our account within 7 days. So click on please donate, go to the search bar, search for please donate here, and then we can then click into please donate. So once we are in please donate, we want to click on the gift icon here, which will then bring this up right there. And then what you now need to do is enter in your friend's name into the username box. You can also add a message if you want to do that. And if you want to go ahead and add gift wrapping, if you are a VIP member, you can enable it there. So once you do this, you will then be able to click on gift, and then that will send the gift and transfer the Robux to your specific friend, and they will then see them on their account within 7 days.